Hey, Smoj Barry, welcome to this video. And in this video, I will share how we generate unique content, unique article, unique video scripts using AI. So for that, first we take a reference. This is one, okay, this is an awesome article about how to make money online, 28 real ways to earn money online. So what I'm going to do is use Jarvis, an AI content creator software. It can be anything, but the strategy is the main thing here. How we do that, how we not leave everything on AI, because AI is just a machine. They don't think like brain. How do we combine the use of brain and machine? So let's start with templates. Here are so many templates. I will start with long form and start from scratch. And I will simply take section by section. So first off, the intro. Okay, so intro is from an online poker selling. I will just quickly read and try to understand what the intro is about. I think this is the section we can start with. So Control C, I will copy it and I will click the power mode and go to content improver, and here empty whatever available, and then Control V. Now the truth is, the real ways to make money online, millions of people are doing it every day, from freelance digital nomads to savvy marketers, writing entrepreneurs, etc., etc. Okay, so I want to improve it. So for that, I used content improver and generate 6 contents. The application is working in the background and generated 6 contents. I will quickly look at how different they are and how awesome they are and how simple they are, whether I can just take one and by adding or deducting a little, I can have an awesome content. This looks like a lot of information, bit confusing. I want simple. This is almost exactly the same as the original content. Well, I will just take this, Control C, and I'll paste it, Control V. That's it. I'm just using this section as a notepad. So let's go to the next section, start drop shipping. So here I will first go through that which section or which paragraph is the most important paragraph here. So first we need a little intro. So for that, let's start with this. Google, according to Google Trends, dropshipping is the most popularity and store owner makes fixing. Okay, so according to Google Trends, I will take this first and I want to add a quick intro about drop shipping. So I'll make 4 figures or 6,000, 5,000 plus in 8 weeks, right? And just generate AI content. Contents are generated and I want to look at what they have said here. I think as an intro, any one can be taken, but one of them here is very simple and very nice. I think this is the one. I'm going to copy it and paste it here. So I'll just write, the first one is dropshipping. Now we need to explain what dropshipping is. That's a hard part. And for that, I need to go through this content. Here in this article, Oberlo, basically, of course, they want to talk about their business model, how they can help dropshippers. So I want to avoid that, and I would just want to take what dropshipping is, yes, and then put it here. And I want this content to be rewritten and simplified. So click generate AI content. Wow, I love this. So it says, the first one says, dropshipping is an ingenious business model that allows entrepreneurs to sell their products without the hassle of managing inventory and logistics themselves. The supplier does all this for you. Yes, but I want to take a little more to explain in one sentence, maybe, the benefits of dropshipping. So for that, I'm looking for more content generated. I can also use this AI saying, I will stop this. This is a stop part. So the AI doesn't read the information above. So I will just write bullet points about benefits of dropshipping. Now we can do this in 2 different ways. We can use AI, or we can use Google and rewrite the content with AI. I'm just using AI for this one. So I'll just hit Control Enter. No, the bullet points are not good enough. So I'm going to write something else. I'm asking AI to write why dropshipping is good for beginner entrepreneurs. I just have to click at the end of the sentence and then Command Enter. Well, I think we got what we wanted. We tried a lot of things, but this is what we are looking for. Okay. There are many reasons why dropshipping can be good for beginners. One of them is it doesn't require huge initial investment. All you need, so I have manually written this sentence. All you need to start dropshipping business is an online store where you showcase products. You need suppliers. of the product to ship to the customers, and social media for marketing. That's it. I will remove everything else from here. We have already written 270 words. Well, for marketing part, I may want to take this section and try and generate AI content and see whether they give us some better quality or simple content to add. Or I can just use AI here saying on how to promote dropshipping store. Command enter. I didn't like it, so I wanted to regenerate it again. I have changed the sentence a bit. The previous sentence might be a little confusing, so I want to try another sentence. Write how to promote a dropshipping store. I think this is so awesome. Okay, so promoting your store is the most important part of managing it, most important part in order to make money from it. It doesn't matter how good your products are or how hard you work if nobody knows about you. Here are some tips for promoting your store. Tell friends and family about your new venture. Let them know that you are working on starting an e-commerce business. Don't forget to ask for referral. This is the best free traffic ever. Offer them special discount coupons for referral. Post links to your store on social media coupons platforms like Facebook, Pinterest, Google, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Put up flyers in public places like laundromats. I think these are good. Post your links and yes, put up flyers. Yes, start a website, blog, start a blog to keep people and enjoy sales and profit. Yeah, awesome. So now we have written 407 words so far. I'm so excited. We can continue all this and create an awesome content.